Hello, it's Wendy again, and today I'm going to paint a beautiful Christmas decoration that is perfect for a Christmas card or to cut out and hang on your tree or whatever strikes your fancy. And I'm using only one color, so there's not going to be a lot of shading or anything, but I think that you'll enjoy watching this beautiful thing develop. Please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and click the little bell for the notifications. So let's begin. To paint this project, I'm using my Fine-Tech pearlescent colors. There's a link below if you're interested in purchasing some. I really like them. So my first decision is what color to use, and I've decided to use gold, and I'm keeping the background just plain. So I have two golds here, a bright gold and an antique gold. So my first thing to do is try them on a scrap. This is the antique gold and this is the bright gold. So I'm going to go ahead and use the bright gold because it shows up a lot more, and it seems to have a lot more denseness of sparkle. I'm not sure, but that's what I'm going with. Just going to put some water in it so that it will make a nice damp puddle, which will help things along if I can just keep it wet, because it tends to dry out kind of quickly. You need to have a brush that comes to quite a fine point. I'm still not quite sure if I've got the right one here, but I'm going to carry on and see. It seems to be working out all right. The trick is don't press too hard because that flattens out the brush. And then in here I can flatten the brush out on purpose. This is already looking like it's getting a little bit dry. It's really unusual paint for watercolor. There, see how easy that was? The joy basically is all in the paint color and that iridescent paint. But the interesting thing is, if the light isn't shining right on it, it kind of takes on a different color. But I love how it looks, and I think it would make a beautiful front for a Christmas card, and it didn't really take me that long, like 15 minutes. So if you need something relaxing to do of an evening, then this is a nice little project. Now that my paint is dry, I want to add one more feature. And that is, I'm taking some of this craft glitter glue and I'm going to just dab it on here and there. And so what I've done is, first I try it here. Always try things before you start working on your painting. But I've just put a little blob of it here. This is a cuticle stick. And what I'm going to do is then just pick up tiny bits and just apply them like that. This will give it a little more texture and a little more sparkle. And my philosophy of life is more sparkle is always better. Kind of can't have too much. So I'm only putting this on sort of the wider parts. I also really like mixing media, so to put glitter glue on a watercolor would horrify some people, but I'm not really worried about other people's opinions on this. I do it because I like it, and I think you will too. Spread that a little bit. Let's see, where else should I put this? Just trying to add it sort of here and there in kind of an even pattern, so it's not all like on one side and not the other, and then spread it a little bit. There, I think that's probably enough. And that will dry and go flat, and then we'll see more of the sparkle. So here's our finished painting. I love it. And I think what I'm going to do is just cut around it closely and hang it on my Christmas tree because it'll look really nice against the white of the tree. I hope you'll give a project like this a try. It's just simple little drawings. You can draw the circle first and then erase it afterwards. Please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you can be notified when I have a new video. And I'll see you next time.